all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome to Philinsing Coin Channel. Today we have another coin from the Philippines, and it's a 10 Sentimo from 1987. But, of course, this is not it. This is the prior 10 Sentimo, and of course it has Francisco Baltazar facing to the right. It says 10 Centimos, and down here it says BSP, Banco Central Pilipinas, and up here it says Republic ng Pilipinas. And there's a edge here, and these are actually kind of little stars that go all the way around the edge. If we tip it up, we'll see that it has a reeded edge, and then if we go on the back, we see that it's one of the New Society coins from the Philippines, Ang Bagong Lipunan, or the New Society. It says Banco Central ng Pilipinas here, 1949. And of course, 1949 is the date that the bank was founded, not the date of the coin. The date of the coin is down here between the two stars. It's a 1981 coin. So this was the coin that that came prior to the 1987 coin we're going to look at. And then in 1983, so this is the 81 on the right, the 1983 on the left, and look what they did here. So they changed it to an aluminum coin. So the 1981 that we're looking at is a copper nickel coin right on the right. So this one's copper nickel, and this one is aluminum. This one over here weighs 1.5 grams, the aluminum one does, and this one here weighs 2 grams. So this weighs about 30% more, 33% more than this one, even though this one's way wider. What is on it? Well, of course, on the front, we again have Francisco Baltazar, and it says Republic ng Filipinas, and of course, he's facing in the other direction. So the coin is bigger this way. You can see how much bigger it is around the edge. It's bigger this way, and they're facing in different directions. Now, this says 1987 at the bottom, and then if we flip it over, we see this fish on here. It says 10 Sentimo, and down here is the name of the fish. And the name of the fish is actually, it's considered an error coin because the name of the fish is misspelled on some of the coins. So, the name of the fish that's on here, it's this little tiny fish. Sometimes it's called the bia or the tablos, and it's a freshwater fish, and its name is Pandaca pygmaea. And the way that you spell pygmaea is Pigmaea. And you can see on here, and on some of these coins, they spelled it Pygmea instead of Maea. So these are technically error coins, but they have very, very, very little value. They were minted from 1983 until 1994, taken out of circulation on January 2nd, 1998, and they're probably worth about 30 cents US. There were almost 100 million of these coins. 99.5 million of these coins were made. Of course, you can see it has a smooth edge on it, and it's this really light aluminum coin. And it's of very little value, but it's really interesting because it has a misspelled name of the fish here, and because it's so light and it's so aluminum, it's the first aluminum coin of the Philippines, and because it has Baltazar on the front of both, but he faces in a different direction on each of these 10 centimos coins. All right, that's all we have today from the Philinsing Coin Channel. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel and leave any comments you might have in the comments section.